How to do Facebook page settings. So if you've already created a Facebook page and if you want to set your Facebook page to grow, then what you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar, and then scroll down, go with the pages option. And now you need to select your page and switch to your page. So for example, I'll be tapping on a page, switch now, and it will switch to your Facebook page. Once you switch to your Facebook page, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, go with the profile. Once you're in the profile, now you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on view as. Once you tap on view as, now you can see that your Facebook page looks like this to others. Now, what you need to do is just add a profile picture and a cover photo at first, because you don't have that. So what you need to do is just go back and then go with add a cover photo, tap on upload photo and choose an image and go with save and add your cover photo. Once you've added your cover photo, now you can go with the profile picture and add your profile picture also. Tap on choose profile picture and add a image to set as a profile picture. And once you've added your images or your profile picture and your cover photo, now go with the 3 dots again and then tap on view as, and you can see that your page looks like this. Now, the second thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with the like option. So if you have the like and if you don't have the follow button right there, then your page won't grow. So if you want the follow button, then you just need to simply go back and then tap on add action button. And here, if you have the message action button, then tap on remove and then tap on edit buttons. And here you will have an option of follow button. So you just need to simply choose the follow option and then go with the right side, which has that box, and then tick the box where you will have the follow option. And after that, you will get the follow button. Now, the next thing you need to do is just go with the bottom, and here you will have an option of see your about info, or just go with the about section. Under about, now here you will have the option of description. So you just need to simply add a description, go with edit public details, scroll down, and here you will have bio. So make sure that you've added some bio, and once you've added your bio, you just need to simply reload your Facebook, and that's how you can do your page settings. So that's what this video is about, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.